Ctrl A to Z shortcut keys. Ctrl+A all select. Ctrl+B, bold. Ctrl+C, copy. Ctrl+D, duplicate. Ctrl+E alignment center side. Ctrl+F find. Ctrl+G, group and go to. Ctrl+H replace. Ctrl+I italic. Ctrl+J justify. Ctrl+K hyperlink. Ctrl+L alignment left side. Ctrl+M new slide. Ctrl+N new page. Ctrl+O, open. Ctrl+P print. Ctrl+Q quiet. Ctrl+R alignment right side. Ctrl+S save. Ctrl+T new tab. Ctrl+U underline. Ctrl+V paste. Ctrl+W close the window. Ctrl+X cut. Ctrl+Y redo. Ctrl+Z undo.